Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing small sections and working immediately. Part hair into 1/4 to 3/8 inch sections and clip surrounding hair away. Once done, backcomb the chosen section gently from midshaft toward roots to create texture, and secure the base with a tiny rubber band or wrap with thread 1 wrap. Make sure to leave ends free for natural tapering. You should alternate action between sections so your hands don't tire, and the pattern stays random yet evenly sized. You continue by palm rolling and interlocking to build the dread. After initial backcomb, roll the section between palms firmly several times to compress fibers. Once rolled, use your thumb to push loose hairs into the core, interlocking from root toward tip. This helps form a tight, freeform nucleus without uniform twisting. If hair resists, apply a pea-sized amount of residue-free wax or light gel, then roll again. Make sure to repeat palm rolling daily for 2 weeks to set shape. You finish by maturing and maintaining your small freeform dreads. Wash them every 1 to 2 weeks with residue-free shampoo, then thoroughly dry. Once dry, palm roll each dread to maintain compactness. Over the first 3 months, check for loose sections and gently interlock or use a small crochet hook to pull stray hairs into the core. This corrects fuzz without over-manipulating. If a dread splits, combine the 2 loose pieces at the root and interlock them together. This usually repairs the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.